What's up, everyone? Diamond in the Rough Garage here with a Trans Am update. Today was a bring your project to work day. No, not really. We just had a slow afternoon, so I decided to bring my passenger front fender in and mostly focus on surface rust and kind of getting the dents figured out, which fortunately they're pretty dang straight. This one was, anyways. Um, well, that's what you'll see in this here video. Or I guess in these couple of clips here. I decided to take it in and kind of give it a once over, get them primed and, get some coating on the inside of them so the surface dressing will stop. But basically all I did was I went over them with some 180 grit, 80 grit where it was needed, it was kind of rusty and stuff. But you'll see that here in these few little clips here I'm about to show you. Make sure you subscribe and enjoy. Thank you.
taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. You cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough.